see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and talk about how to cop the Supreme KAWS box logo, which is gonna be releasing week 1. I am gonna talk about some of the more hype pieces and some of the easier ways that you guys can go ahead and secure this item for retail. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I do post a new video. And don't forget to click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you're trying to enter in this Supreme TNF shoulder bag giveaway. This is a fire piece, actually really high quality, and I decided to go ahead and give it away to one of you lucky guys out there, or girls, you feel me? Go ahead and click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you're trying to enter in that. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So as we know, the new Supreme season is upon us. Literally, the first drop is this upcoming Thursday, which is in 2 days. And I do want to go ahead and talk about the best ways you guys can go ahead and secure these items for retail. There's a lot of fire items like the dice coming out, the box logo coming out, the KAWS skate deck, which is also a sick ass item that I feel like is gonna do good in the long run. But personally, first and foremost, is gonna be a beautiful item to just have in your house as a personal collection item. There's the water pistol tee, the Raphael tee, and just a bunch more items that I will talk about in the drop list tomorrow that I feel like you shouldn't want to miss out on. I'm going to talk about some of the best manual ways to go ahead and secure these items, and I'm also going to talk about the homies over at Secret Sauce. I'm pretty sure that by now you guys have heard of them. They're a premium Discord group that pretty much offers everything that there is as far as cooking up on these items. If you do enter Secret Sauce, you are able to get a free ticket to get the box logo. Honestly, the ratio for going ahead and getting it through that alone is like a 90 to 95% chance. Definitely would recommend Secret Sauce for each and every one of you guys out there. They also have Sauce Fill, which is pretty much like a bot that you can use on your own. It pretty much fills out all the information on the Supreme website. All you have to put is the keywords, the size you're looking for, and once it's 11 a.m., you pretty much press go or you refresh on the Supreme website and it'll go ahead and add the item for you. Click the checkout button, and once you're on the page and it fills out all the information for you, you should be able to just go ahead and process payment, which is another major advantage when it comes to getting these box logos. They recently partnered with a couple iPhone apps like Quick Cop and Swift Soul to make it even easier to go ahead and get these BOGOs. They have exclusive proxies which normally kill it on Supreme. One thing that I want to stress is that Secret Sauce isn't just only for Supreme. They cook up on sneakers on a weekly basis. A lot of people do end up cooking up on a bunch of kicks as well. If you guys are interested in checking them out, I am gonna leave them in the description. All you have to do is go ahead and DM them on Instagram or on Twitter saying that Astro Nori sent you. They'll ask you a couple questions and then they'll see if you're a good fit for the cook group and if they're a good fit for you. There is a monthly rate, but if you do cook up on just the box logo or even the Jordan 3s coming out this weekend, you make your money back ASAP. There's a lot of money to be made through Secret Sauce. Let's talk about some manual ways that you can go ahead and cook up on this box logo. Now, I do want to talk about a couple things that is going to change it up for this week 1 release. The fact that you can't go on the Supreme shop website and set up lightning bolt autofill is going to make it a little bit trickier. That's kind of why I wanted to talk about Secret Sauce and the sauce fill that they do offer, because you should still be able to fill out all the information and it still will work. But when it comes to the lightning bolt autofill, which before I had Secret Sauce, that is what I used to use, that is a little bit trickier on week 1. One plus is that there probably is going to be a lot of stock in that. Since there is so many items releasing, that you should have a higher chance at getting the box logo. You kind of want to make sure that you have a bookmark on your tabs at the top that says supremenewyork.com/sweatshirts. You want to go ahead and open a tab and have the sweatshirts link on the top. That way when it's 11, you can just go ahead and spam that rather than have to go through all the pictures, click the view all, go to sweatshirts and do the most. If you are set up from the beginning, you can go ahead and have a better chance at getting it from the jump. As far as filling out your information, I would definitely recommend going to Google Chrome and filling out all your payment info on there, your address info on there, your name and everything like that. That way when you get on the Supreme website, as soon as you put the first letter for your name, it'll pop up. You click that. If it is possible, make it so that they don't require a fingerprint or a password in order to put your passwords, at least for this release. That way it's just as fast as possible. As soon as you put the letter in, you click it, it won't ask you to scan your finger or something like that, because that will delay you, and you definitely don't want that. If you are from the US, you kind of have a slight advantage because you can watch the EU live cops, and by the time it is drop time for you, those will be posted already, so you can go and see where the color you want is, where the actual box logo is going to be located. So by the time the release is, all you have to do is refresh or even press enter on the Supreme sweatshirts tab that I was telling you about earlier, and you just go automatically to the sweater. Have the mouse almost hovering around the area that you want it to be in. These are all tips that I would recommend you guys. As far as sizing goes, I don't know exactly what's gonna happen this Supreme season, but there's a lot of rumors saying that there's gonna be a XXL size this season, and if that is the case, that might be the one that does best resale wise, because super big boys haven't been able to buy Supreme, and I feel like now that they can, more than likely they will be trying to get it, so that might be the first size to sell out, and it might be the one to have best resale. Normally the order for the sizing that I would say is small XL, large, medium, or small XL, medium, large. Large and medium normally vary, but now that we might be getting XXL, I might go ahead and recommend you guys to go for that size first, because that might be the one that does best resale wise. As far as tips go, that's pretty much everything that I can offer you guys. I know that once the Supreme shop is open, you can go ahead and get lightning bolt autofill, and it will make the process a little bit quicker. If you are on iPhone, you can also use the Safari keychain autofill, if I'm not mistaken. You can do it through there. I know that the Supreme does have their own autofill, but like I said before, since the shop hasn't officially opened, it is a little bit tricky on these week 1 drops. So make sure you have your Google Chrome info saved. If you can, delete all the other addresses, so that's the only one that pops up. If that is a little bit too much, then hey, I feel you on that. I normally try to have my main credit card on there, my main address on there with my name, so that there's no confusion when I try to fill it out. It's just instantly the one that I find for week 1s. That's what I normally do. And if you're gonna try to go ahead and check out on other items after you buy the box logo, you can go ahead and click the save address when you're trying to check out for the BOGO. That way for your next purchase, it's already on there. All you have to fill out is the card information, which will definitely make it easier for the second time you try doing the checkout and stuff like that. But if you guys have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and DM me on Instagram, astro.nori. I am also gonna start posting pictures on there, but that's besides the point. If you have any questions on how to cook up, go ahead and just hit me up on Instagram, and I will do my best to try and guide you in the right direction. If you enjoyed this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And don't forget to enter this giveaway in the description as well. This is gonna end in like 3 weeks. If you're trying to win this shoulder bag, all you have to do is enter up. Once I reach 20,000 subscribers, I'm probably gonna give away a pair of kicks. I am gonna start working on my own clothing brand. It's not gonna be some regular merch where you just print some shit on the front. Nope, none of that. I'm trying to get some actual fire shit for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I will be releasing it at 20,000 subscribers. Hey man, if you show love, I always support you guys as well. Leave a like on this video, subscribe, click the post notification bells. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see in the comments below. I am gonna come out with a drop list first thing tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.